Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm going to share with you my Sephora Play unboxing. This is $10 a month. You can subscribe or unsubscribe at any time in your Sephora account, which I like. It's like super easy. And again, as I always reiterate, the reason I love this box, I buy this with my own money, it's not sent to me, is because if I really fall in love with a product, I can go and buy the full size really easily on Sephora's website. I already have an account, I already get points, so to me it just kind of simplifies the whole thing. But because don't you feel like in other subscription boxes sometimes you get random brands, you're like, ugh, and you got to go find it on the random brand's website, pay for the shipping, like all of that stuff. So that's why I personally still get this and still want to buy it. So this is for, I think, June, because they send it so late. I feel like I cannot get these videos up fast enough, but I figure it's still helpful to see so you can get an idea of what kinds of things to expect. But it looks like oh, that's kind of fun. The theme is welcome to the beauty boardwalk. I love that. So they always give you a little card for 50 beauty insider points you can use in your account. Frankly, I always freaking forget. Holy moly, there's a lot of good brands in here. Get ready. You guys aren't even ready. I'm gonna start with the one that I was like, what? This is from Tatcha. It's the silk canvas. Now, the original silk canvas is so expensive. I was lucky enough that they sent it to me for free, but I would have bought it myself just because of all the hype. I would, you know, for myself, just because I would have wanted it. But they did send it to me, and I was kind of skeptical because I'm not a big fan of like kind of pore filling balmy type primers, but I was blown away. You use literally like a grain of rice sized amount, and I'll just press it into my nose and kind of flare it out a little bit. Sometimes I'll put it up here, but that's about all I need when it comes to pore filling. I was very impressed. It helped make everything look smooth. Again, you use like the tiniest amount. Like this is gonna go bad before I ever use it up. But they send a deluxe size. Look at this, it's so cute. Again, all I'm saying is you use the tiniest amount. This might be all you need for a very long time. And I'm excited to travel with this. This is so perfect because this is pretty darn bulky for me to be using that tiny amount when I'm traveling. Boom. This is amazing. It is so, so cute. It's actually really nice packaging. Leave it to Tatcha. Anyway, I really, really like this. I think that is amazing. I would have paid $10 for that. I know that sounds ridiculous, but again, you use such a little amount. Awesome. So that is an awesome start. I'm going in order of what I'm excited about. How about that? Next thing is this Lancome Definicils mascara. So I have actually I've not tried this one. I've tried many other Lancome mascaras, and I've actually liked, I think, most of the ones I've tried. But it's a defining mascara that provides natural looking lashes that stands out. So I don't want to open it because I want to like make sure I'm like ready to try it out when I do open it, because these go bad so quickly. But I like that it's a defining one, especially for your lower lash line. That can be so tricky, and sometimes I don't mind having a separate mascara just for that, and then I'll use a super volumizing one on the top. So that's probably how I'll use this if it's really focused on defining. Next thing, this is awesome, is this TooFaced Melted Matte. Okay, again, if you watch YouTube beauty videos and you have a lot of makeup, or if you don't watch them much but you have a lot of makeup, it doesn't matter. You're not gonna go through this very quickly unless it's the only lip product you're using. And so the shade of this is Queen Bee, and it's a lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold, full color. I would agree with that. It's very kind of, I like to call it like marshmallowy. I feel like these kinds of products are very marshmallowy, where they're kind of soft when you put them on. From what I remember about these, they don't dry down. We're gonna let this dry for a little bit, because from what I remember, these didn't dry down all the way, and I kind of liked it, but I might be wrong. Maybe these do dry down, but isn't that color pretty? Oh my gosh, I love blue toned pinks like that. So again, you're probably not even gonna use this entire thing up, so I think that is awesome. And again, really nice packaging. They didn't skimp on that, which I appreciate. Next thing, this might be the best one we've ever gotten. By we, I mean we, because I think it's the same for everyone. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Eye Makeup Remover. Here's the deal. I've been trying out a lot of liquid liners lately, and some of them, even though they're not waterproof technically, they really stick in the lashes because I've got it, you know, right up against the lash. And I'm really struggling because I'm used to just using like a oil-based kind of makeup remover balm, and then I go in with a regular cleanser, and that usually works. But sometimes when I'm trying out a new one, I can't get it off. So this is the perfect thing. You just shake it up, wet like a cotton pad, and you can wipe it off, and it really does work. I used to use this a lot when I did shows because it does work. And this is a nice travel size, but it's actually a decent just size in general. Next thing is this Living Proof, one of my favorite hair care brands, Nourishing Styling Cream. So it says apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends, comb through, style as usual. This is the kind of thing I like to use when I'm air drying my hair. This is my air dried hair day 2. And so for me, I like putting creams like this in my hair, and then I feel like it kind of holds my hair together so it doesn't frizz as much, but it's still, you can still tousle with it and it's not like weird and crunchy, or, you know what I'm saying? So this is something I don't know that I've used this exact product though, but I have used their anti-frizz something, like I want to say their shampoo and conditioner, and it definitely helps get rid of frizz. But Miss Frizzle, okay, stop, Jessica, you're losing your mind. Anyway, I'm excited to try this. It's talking about how it's good for in the humidity, so in this summertime on the boardwalk. All right. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the bag. This is the little bag it comes with. That's actually kind of cute. Last thing, this is always like a bonus. They have something small, like a perfume sample for the bonus. It's from Replica. I have never tried any Replica products, but a lot of people on YouTube's tend to love it. Okay, by the way, did I just say YouTube's? This did dry down. So you've got to, it's good to know going into that. It definitely dries down completely. Looks like it's still smearing a little bit, but it definitely dries down. So a lot of people love these. So it's inspired by the iconic Woodstock Festival of 1969. This scent blends patchouli essence with cannabis and leather accord for an aroma that will rock your world. Yeah, that sounds like Woodstock. Okay, I'm gonna spray just like the paper, because what if I don't like it? Oh, it smells still sweet, but it smells a little bit more like, oh boy, I'm getting it everywhere. It smells more like a cologne. Not in a bad way. It smells like a really good cologne, but in my opinion, this is definitely more of a musky scent, which I always attribute to a more masculine scent. Now, that's just me and my taste. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there probably love it, but I might pass this on to my husband because I have a feeling he will like it. Anyway, so very, very exciting. Oh yeah, it does say female and male fragrance. I just now saw that. So either way. So that was the box this month. I think this might have been one of the best ones ever. Like, I'm still not over this. So this was the thing I was the most excited about. Honestly, I'm literally excited and going to use all of these. That's like the first time I've ever opened it and thought I'm gonna use every single one of those products. So that is very exciting. I try to do like updates. I'm wanting to make on my channel kind of a series where I talk about sample size products I've tried that I actually ended up loving and buying a new one. So I've only done one of those so far. I will link that below if you're interested. And then I'm planning on every few months doing another. So these will be probably part of that rotation where I'm trying them and deciding if I want to buy a full size. Of course, some of them like the Tatcha, I already have a full size. But if you enjoyed, I hope you'll give this a thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.